How do I get the output and exit value of a subshell when using bash e? Consider the following code. outerscope.sh, innerscope.sh. I'm trying to get outerscope.sh to exit when a call to inner fails. Since $invokes the subshell, this doesn't happen. How else do I get the output of a function while preserving the fact that the function may exit with a non-zero exit code?
$preserves the exit status. You just have to use it in a statement that has no status of its own, such as an assignment. After this, $? Would contain the exit status of inner, and you can use all sorts of checks for it. Or Note, a bare exit without arguments is equivalent to exit $dash, that is, it exits with the last command's exit status. I use the second form only for clarity. Also, for the record, source is completely unrelated in this case. You can just define inner in the outerscope.sh file with the same results.
According to the manual of the set built-in, the shell does not exit if the command that fails is part of the command list immediately following a while or until keyword, part of the test in an if statement, part of any command executed in a and or vertical bar list except the command following the final and or vertical bar, any command in a pipeline but the last, or if the command's return status is being inverted with. Any of the above would work, except the first since you're not running a loop. Though for readability it's probably better to use an if statement. Or you can invert the result. But beware that the result is now inverted. Fortunately, bash doesn't exit even though a successful subshell is inverted. Interestingly, the following seams also work. By grouping the subshell invocation in a list, then invert the whole list, not just the subshell invocation. This somehow matches the third case above, which is also a list, except it's not using an or vertical bar. A special case with inline initialization. Note about a tricky case with function local variables. Compare the following code. We'll get y . In bash, local is actually a built-in command. When the output of a subshell is used to initialize a local variable, the exit status is no longer the one of the subshell, but that of the local command, which is 0 as long as the local variable gets declared. See also this URL.
By adding echo, the subshell does not stand alone, is not separately checked, and does not abort. Assignment circumvents this problem. You can also do this, and redirect the output to a file, to later process it.
If you want, no se pueden dejar ver para hacer la fila